Here's how zipBoard provides valuable tools for graphic designers. Collaboration is a key factor in successful design, and zipBoard provides the tools to make this stage seamless. With zipBoard, you can review websites, images, PDFs, and videos all in one place. Our online proving tool allows you to mark up and annotate your designs easily. Simply upload your file and begin your review. Use tools such as the rectangle tool and arrow tool across multiple file types. With videos, your comments are time-stamped and easily tracked. Plus, you can even review and prove live websites. You can view all your tasks and comments in the Task Manager, either in Kanban or table format. You can update these tasks with many features, including priority levels and due dates. Reviewing your design isn't limited to just your agency. zipBoard also has a built-in sharing feature that allows you to share your content directly with your clients. There's no need for them to sign up, and it is easily accessible. You can also keep track of and update access to your work. By using zipBoard, you can make proofing and sharing your designs faster and easier for everyone involved. Keep all kinds of content in one place and collaborate with your team and clients.